May 24th. This is how it looks. Casey should have it all done by the end of today. That's what she's thinking. And we're getting there. Got most of the edging down. All right, well, we're definitely getting there. Another 8 yards of stone brought in. You can see the pathways are starting to get filled in now. We showed you the fire pit. We've used it 2 nights in a row, making s'mores.
We're having so much fun with s'mores. We're gonna just keep getting some sticks in there because, you know, it's not a big of a fire. I love fun.
So I still got some more paths to fill in. Casey's got all the gardens planted. You can see getting all the little piles. You helping Daddy today?
We're picking up our basket. Where'd Jason go? Oh, you're not down low enough, Jason. There you go. Lower. Oh, jeez. There's the mammoth basket. What do you girls think of that basket? Selah, what do you think of that basket? Is that pretty cool? We're in the Garden Oasis on Saturday night. Jason's just getting the last of the lights up and working. And then
done here.
We'll do the grand finale of the lighting up the Garden Oasis for the first time.
Yes.
The girls always love helping in the garden, don't you girls? right, is it time to celebrate?
Yeah, it is.
The Garden Oasis is finally complete. Phase 2 is finally complete. Now it's time to just enjoy.